So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle whose center lies on the line 2x minus y equals to 3. And it passes through the point 3, -2 and -2, 0. We will try to solve this particular problem with the help of the general form or the general equation of a circle. So let's first specify the general form of a circle. The general equation or the general form of a circle is given by this equation: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here g, f and c are constant. The coordinate of the center is given by -g, -f. And the radius is given by this equation r equals to square root of -g squared plus -f squared minus c. Now, it's given here that the circle is passing through 2 points. One of the points is 3, -2. We'll call it point A, and let's say the other point is B with coordinate -2, 0. And the center of the circle is going to lie on the line, and this equal line has an equation given to us: 2x minus y equals to 3. So let's begin. Now, since the point 3, -2 is lying on the circle, it's going to satisfy the equation of the circle. So that means for the point 3, -2, the equation of the circle is going to become 3 squared plus -2 squared plus 2 times g times x plus 2 times f times y plus c equals to 0. All we're doing is replacing the x coordinate with 3 and the y coordinate with -2. Now, rearranging the terms, we're going to get 6g minus 4f plus c equals to, we have 3 squared, so that's 9. 9 plus 4 is going to be 13, and we transpose 13 to the right hand side. We're going to label this as equation number 1. Similarly, the circle is passing through the other point B with coordinate -2, 0. So this point is going to satisfy the equation of the circle. We have -2 squared, so that's 4, plus 0 minus 2 times g times x. So x is 2. We already taken care of the negative sign here. Plus 0 plus c equals to 0. Rearranging the terms, we get -4g plus c equals to -4. We're going to label this as equation number 2. Now, what we'll do, we will solve equation number 1 and 2. Let's do that. We take equation number 1, and from it we subtract equation number 2. So this is going to give us, so we have 6g minus of -4g, so this will become 10g. Then we have -4f, the c will get cancelled, so this will be equals to -13 plus 4, so that's going to be -9. Let's label this as equation number 3. Now, this equation does not have any c terms. Now, since the center, which is having the coordinate -g, -f, lie on the line, which is having the equation 2x minus y minus 3, this particular point is going to satisfy the equation of the line. So we can say we can replace the value of x with -g and the value of y with -f, and this will be equals to 3. So this gives us another equation. So we get -2g plus f equals to 3. Let's label this as equation number 4. So what we can do, we can use equation 3 and equation 4 to find the value of g and f. So let's do that. So we will take equation number 3 and we're going to keep it as it is. We have 10g minus 4f equals to -9. Now we will take equation number 4 and we're going to multiply with 4. So this is going to give us, so we have 4 times -2g, so that's -8g plus 4f equals to 12. Now we'll add the two equation. So 10g minus 8g is 2g. -4f and positive 4f cancels out. This will be equals to -9 plus 12. So that will be equals to 3. So g value comes out to be equals to 3 over 2. Now to have the value of g, we can use equation number 3 to find out the value of f. So let's use this. So using equation number 4, we have -2g. So g is 3 over 2. Plus f equals to 3. So we have -3 plus f equals to 3. So f value comes out to be 6 units. Now we have the value of g, we have the value of f. So let's also try to find out the value of c. So here we can use equation number 2. Equation number 2, let's write it down. We got negative 4g plus c equals to negative 4. Negative 4g plus c equals to negative 4. So we can now use the value of g. So g is 3 over 2 plus c equals to negative 4. So that gives us negative 6 plus c equals to negative 4. So c will be equals to 2. So we now have the value of f, g and c. Now what we have to do, we can define the center and also find out the radius. So the center is given by the coordinate which is negative g comma negative f. So that corresponds to negative 3 over 2 comma negative 6. And the radius will be equals to, so we have square root of negative g squared, so that's negative 3 over 2 squared, so that will give us 9 over 4, plus negative f squared, so that's 36, minus the value of c. So the radius value comes out to be square root of 145 over 4. Now that we have the radius as well as the center, we can use the standard form of a circle to obtain the equation. If we have a circle with center having coordinate h comma k and the radius is given by r unit, then the standard form of a circle is given by this equation x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared. Now in our case, we have the center which is given by h comma k in the standard form, and we obtained r centered as negative 3 over 2 comma negative 6. So this gives us the value of h and k. So h comes out to be negative 3 over 2. The value of k comes out to be negative 6. And also we have defined the radius. The radius is square root of 145 over 4. So now we can use this standard form to get x plus 3 over 2 whole squared plus y plus 6 whole squared equals to square of the radius, so that's 145 over 4. Now what we can do, we can expand this to get x squared plus y squared plus 3x plus 12y plus 2 equals to 0, and this is going to be the general equation of a circle.